Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make mushroom steaks. So first you need the oil to be really hot as you cook these to really get that crisp on them. I cut these mushrooms about an inch thickness. I just use my knife and estimate it. Some of them is a little bigger, some of them are a little small. And then you're going to put a pan on top and press it down to help get the liquid out of it. So that's what I'm doing here. It's really pressing it down. And you should do this for about 3 to 4 minutes. I didn't press it down long enough before I flipped them. So when I flipped this one, I should have known that it wasn't ready to be flipped, and I should have flipped it back and then pressed more down on them so I can get a better crisp. Also, what I would do different is before I flip them is to add season to it. So the season I added sea salt, onion powder, ginger, and cayenne pepper. The thinner it's cut, the more crisp it gets. So if you want a crispy type steak, you can cut them thinner, but if you want something juicy, cut them thicker and just press down on them a little longer. I serve these with squash fries and a just tomato onion barbecue sauce. If you want my barbecue sauce, just click the card that you see on the screen. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye. Feel just like a rock star.